What up, guys? I have this new video unboxing, but still got this one up for sale. If anybody wants it. The receipt, post office receipt, to show that I send it. I did send it. There it is. Now let's get into the unboxing. Open it up so it'll be faster. Take this out. Here's the hat. Give me some tissue, a bag, and bubble wrap. Yeah. Here it is. New York Yankees. Snakeskin. Suede under. Yankees logo. The only problem I have with it is it's like bent. I don't know if you can see this side. It's like this part, it like goes up, but other than that, it's a good hat. So yeah, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe.